Today we're going to be making a chicken dish. We're going to be sauteing some chicken with some garlic, and then we're going to be finishing it with some sherry wine and then some cream. We're going to be adding a couple more spices to that, a little bit of garlic, and then we're going to thicken it up with some Parmesan, and then we're going to finish that all in the oven before we take it out. For our sides, we're going to be taking some green beans, and we'll be picking the ends off those and then boiling them. And once they're done boiling, we're going to be mixing together some garlic, some Dijon, some basil, some cumin, a tomato, and some red wine vinegar. We'll whisk that in with oil until we make a vinaigrette, and then we're going to pour that over the top of our green beans. And we're also going to be making oregano potato cakes. So what we're really going to be doing is making some mashed potatoes with some oregano, and then we're going to put them in a casserole dish. We'll put that into the oven, and then we'll bake them until they're hard, and then we'll just cut out a square.